In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default branch on GitHub. The default branch is the primary base branch that new pull requests and code commits are opened against, so setting the right one keeps your work on the correct baseline. Let's start by opening GitHub and the repository. Head to your browser and go to github.com. Once your dashboard loads, look at the repositories list on the left side. From that list, click the repository you want to work with. In this walkthrough, the repository is called Baseline Demo, but you'll click whichever one applies to you. The repository's code page will open with main selected as the current branch. Now let's open the repository's default branch setting. In the repository navigation, just below the repository name, click Settings. This takes you to the General Settings page. From here, scroll down the page until you reach the Default Branch section. You'll see that this section currently shows main listed as the default branch for the repository. Next, let's change the default branch. To the right of the current default branch name, click the button labeled Switch to another branch. A dialog titled Change Default Branch will appear on screen. Inside that dialog, click the Branch dropdown to reveal the list of available branches in the repository. From the dropdown, select the prepared branch you want to use. In this example, the branch selected is called Release, but you'll pick whichever branch you've prepared as the new baseline. Once the branch is selected, click Update to apply the change. GitHub will then display a warning explaining what changing the default branch means for the repository. Read through that warning carefully, and when you're ready, click the button labeled I understand. Update the default branch. The default branch section will now show Release as the new default. Now let's verify the new default branch is set correctly. In the repository navigation below the repository name, click Code to return to the main page. On the left side of the file tree, click the branch dropdown to open the list of branches. Confirm that your chosen branch, which in this case is Release, is marked as the default in the list. Once you've confirmed it, click anywhere outside the dropdown to close it. The repository now uses Release as its default branch. GitHub shows Release as the default in the branch selector, and new pull requests and code commits will use it as the base branch. Congratulations!